Hello everyone, yet I'm back again with another video. So today I'm gonna show you how to achieve that flawless makeup. So starting off with my facial mist from Plum, and then following it up with the niacinamide serum from the Minimalist. This is a very basic skincare routine of mine. So I'll keep the serum for some time, and in the meantime I'll put on my contact lenses. Please be careful while you do this. Heading on with my moisturizer from Foxtail. I swear to God, this ceramide infused moisturizer is one of the best in the Indian market. Like, please go for it. By the time the moisturizer sets properly, I'll just add on some jewelries and let's move on to the makeup, starting off with my Mars Take a Glow primer. So as you can see, it adds quite a good glow to your face, and first step is to do my eyebrows. Here I'm using the Faces Canada eyebrow pencil. Now moving on, for the base I'm using this elf foundation. I actually do like the finish of this foundation. It's a medium, like sheer to medium coverage foundation. Firstly, I'll spread it all over my face using a brush and then blend it out properly using a beauty blender so that it soaks in the extra product. Now moving on to my bronzer, I'm using the Revolution bronzer. Yep, it's from Revolution. I'll just put the links down below in the description box. Now it's a thing for me. I love using lipsticks as my liquid blush. So here I'm using a liquid lipstick from Maybelline to add a flush of color to my face. For concealer, I'm using the NYX concealer just to brighten up my under eyes and the highest points of my face. Again, I'll spread out the concealer using a concealer brush, and later I'll blend it out using a beauty blender. So the main point of using a beauty blender is to just soak in the extra product, which would basically make your makeup look much flawless rather than cakey. A very vital step, that is to set my face, for which I am using the CS Essential Glowy Setting Spray just to put it all together. I'll be keeping my eye makeup very simple, so I'm going with these two brown shades just to define my eyelids. And I did my liner off camera. Now next is to curl your lashes. This is very optional, so be very careful while you do this. And for mascara, I'm using this Maybelline mascara in Lash Lift, and I absolutely love the result of this mascara. Like, it's a must buy for me. And for highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline highlighter and adding it to the temples of my face, and of course the bridge of my nose and my inner corners just to brighten up my eyes. For lipstick, I'm going with these two Mars crayons, a deep maroon shade just to outline my lips, and fill in with a dusty nude pink lip shade from Mars itself. And last step is the hair, so I'm straightening it, nothing very fancy. Please don't forget to use the heat protection serum, and here I'm done. I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe for more such videos.